Hello everyone, welcome you all back, and today we are going to see how we can create a new branch in our local system. For that we need to check out the code first. So let's go to this code button and copy the URL. Go to the folder where you want to check out the code. Go to the path, write cmd and enter. It will open a console for you. Let's maximize this. So git clone and pass the URL. Okay, so once you do this, it will always check out the master branch. Okay, so let's see. Let's go to the folder and see. Yeah, this repository has been created. Now again go to the console. Let's see git status. Okay, sorry, let's go inside that repository and then do that. So if you see, you are on a master branch, right? Now let's just create a branch. Git branch, let's give it a name, created in local. Okay, but again if you see git status, you are on master branch. But if you see git branch, you can see there are two branch, right? But you are inside the master branch. To go to the other branch, you can type git checkout and then that branch name created in local. Okay, if you see, switch to the branch. Now if you check git status, you can see on branch create in local. Okay, so let's go inside this and create a file. Let's call it 003. Created in local. Let's save it and close it. Okay, but before that I want to show you. If you see here inside the Git repository, there are only two branch master and develop. Okay, so we have made our changes. Now let's add this change to our local repository. Okay, now let's just see the status. So you are in the created in local branch and new file is there. Let's commit this change. Okay, now in order to push this change to the GitHub, you need to type git push hyphen hyphen set hyphen upstream. After that, you need to provide origin and then the branch name. Okay, local. So once you do this, it may take some time to push the changes. So once this is done, let's go to the repository and refresh this page. Once this is done, go to the branches and you can see this branch created in local. You can go there and you can see the changes, right? We created this file and this is the content. Hope you have understood this, and if you find any value in this video, please do like, share and subscribe.